What's up, YouTube? So this is the result behind me of me and my son working on the property the other day. So we went and rented an excavator, and when we rented it, we did a lot of work to the property. I mean, I cleared a lot of trees. Actually, all these trees you see behind me, and they even at the top of the hill by the main road, but I cleared all that in like 3 days or something like that. But yeah, so what we was doing was we had to pick the area that we wanted to put the house in, and it's right in here. And we cleared and cleared, but we didn't finish because I had to stop. I had to go back to work, stuff like that. It was a holiday weekend, so I'm finna show y'all what we was doing. Alright, so this whole area right here, this is originally supposed to be where the house gonna be at. In this area right here. And it supposed to, back porch supposed to sit somewhere along here and look over the pond. But and the pond sit right over there, so we should be able to sit on the back porch and look over the water. We ain't finished clearing the trees around the pond yet, but that is the ultimate goal. We didn't want to be at the house too close to the pond, but I might end up pushing it back a little further, back up in here somewhere, I don't know. And these trees gotta go further back that way. But right now, the first and original design, the house is gonna sit right here. I'm gonna walk y'all uphill, give y'all a better understanding of some of the stuff we was doing, man. Like, all of these are the trees. When I was tearing them down, I was piling them up. Some of them I hauled off, some of them I didn't. It was just a lot going on. All of them trees up there I took down. So the house is gonna sit over there somewhere, and the pond is back there. Alright, but I went and was clearing the top part of the property, but it started raining on me the other day, so I had to stop. and the property sit at a down slope, so I gotta do some backfilling down there. But this should be the front yard in the future. And back there, we got like 4 more acres. They go way back up in the woods, but I ain't trying to go way back there. So we're gonna clear it out, put some animals or something in the future back there, but for now, we just securing the spot where the house gonna go. And I ain't finished. It's a lot of work, take time. So it's weekend by weekend. We actually going out of town next weekend, so I'm not working on the next weekend. But yeah, this is the process so far. And I'm gonna give an update maybe in the next week or 2, and we'll go from there. But for now, I mean, I got trees everywhere. They over here. I got a bunch of trees piled up right here. They everywhere around here. So yeah, this is at the top of the property, and property go back 5 acres that way. So we may be clearing maybe an acre up in here or something like that, and we're gonna see what we can do with that. But in the future, we may clear more land towards the back, but right now, we're gonna focus on this first acre. We're gonna go from there, y'all. Till next time. Now I got my son out here. So I was cleaning it up. He put it on the dirt bike. The dirt bike up here. So he cleared all of this right here. He did that himself. But as you can see, he was like riding around. Where is his dirt bike at? You can see it right there a little bit. Yeah, he pulled up on me on his dirt bike, asked what I was doing. I told him I was over here at the property. So now he wanna get out here and learn, so he'll teach me on. The first day ever running the excavator. Make sure you put your blade down, son. Alright. That's already clear. Let's get it out your way. Yup, just like that. Down. Yup, now go to it, now swing it on around. Now swing it. There you go, son. Oh yeah, you gotta teach me that. So we finna keep on clearing, y'all. I get to another update in a second.